The East Talent Creative Production presents Northeast Talent Fashion Star Icon 2023 for Mr., Miss, Teens, Kids and Misses. The East Talent Creative Production presents Northeast Talent Fashion Star Icon 2023. The East Talent Creative Production show director Dimi Hansepi has provided a platform for kids, teens, Mr., Miss and Misses to show their talent in various platforms such as in singing, dancing and modeling. And the winner of the show will be given a 1-year contract in ZTV serial. The ZTV team, Bhaigo Lakshmi and Rishi team will be the judges of Northeast Talent Fashion Star Icon 2023. The name of the judges are Aman Gandhi, ZTV serial actor from Mumbai, Bollywood actress Munira Kunkarti from Mumbai, Ganga Chaudhary, Mrs. India 2021 from Delhi, Aishwarya Khare, actress ZTV, Rohit Shanti, actor ZTV. The groomer for Northeast Talent Fashion Star Icon are Vicky Bahal, Chief Groomer from Lucknow, Priyam Sekhya, Groomer. The event will be held at Sarsing, Teron, Langkung, Habe Town Hall in Diphu, Karbi Anglang on 15th of July 2023. Interested people can do online registration, and for online registration, please contact 970-7366926 for call, and for WhatsApp, please contact 94356 40762.